be cutting in here, be insect or ants. We need to fix this one. This is one I use to protect the eggplant for ants and bacterial will. This is the protection I secret. This one my secret. Ash of wood. And the side, only side, like that. Not to just only side. Okay, not too much.